Good evening. How are you? Hope you all are doing good. Come and sit in front of the screen. Come on fast. Good evening. Okay. So, kids, let's start our class. So, kids, we start our class with welcome song. So, come on, sing welcome song together. Start. We welcome you to school today. School today. School today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today. Here today. Here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to this new and beautiful, beautiful day. So, now we'll sing. What we are going to sing? We are going to sing God's love together. Okay, so let's start. Start, everyone. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. So high, we can't get over it. So high, we can't get over it. So deep, we can't get under it. So deep, we can't get under it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wonderful love. So wonderful. Okay, kids. Now let's talk about the day and the date. So, kids, today the day is Saturday. What is the day today? Today is Saturday, and the date is 14th August 2021. You should know the day and the date. The date is 14th August 2021. Okay, and the day is Saturday. So, yes. So, kids, today is 14th August. So, kal kya hai? What is tomorrow? Tomorrow is 15th August. मैम ने आपको बताया था ना 15th August. We used to celebrate as Independence Day. Okay. So, मैम आपको डिटेल इसकी कल बताएंगे, ठीक है? इन शॉर्टली मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि इंडिपेंडेंस डे वी यूज टू सेलिब्रेट एवरी डे एवरी ईयर ऑन 15th अगस्त. क्यों सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? बिकॉज पहले इंडिया पर बाहर के ब्रिटिशर्स रूल करते थे, ठीक है? और जिस दिन वो ब्रिटिशर्स इंडिया से चले गए, भाग गए, तो उस दिन को हम इंडिपेंडेंस डे मतलब हमारी आजादी का दिन मनाते, फ्रीडम का दिन मनाते. ओके. राइट. सो किड्स, मैम इज टेलिंग यू अबाउट इंडिपेंडेंस डे, है ना? तो जिस दिन इंडिया फ्री हुआ था, आजाद हुआ था ब्रिटिशर्स से, उस दिन को हम इंडिपेंडेंस डे मनाते हैं. वी यूज टू सेलिब्रेट एवरी ईयर 15th अगस्त एज इंडिपेंडेंस डे, ठीक है? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, बिफोर डूइंग द एक्टिविटी ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस डे, लेट्स से द नेम of the week and month's name together, then we'll start doing our activity. Okay. Sorry. So, kids, how many days are there in a week? एक week में कितने days होते हैं? Tell me. There are 7 days. Yes, very good. There are 7 days in a week. So, come on, let's say the name of the weekdays together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay. So these are 7 days of a week. अब हम बात करेंगे. Now we are going to talk about the months of a year. एक year में कितने months होते हैं? How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months. We don't have that much finger to show on fingers. So there are 12 months in a year. Okay? Come on, let's say the name of the months together, then we'll start our activity. Start. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay, chalo kids, now let's start the activity. So everyone, come on, get your material required for the activity. Come on, get all the material required item for your activity. Come on. So, as you already got the message, so I think you all prepared the body of peacock. है ना? Now everyone, get the ribbons. So, mothers, yes, Anaisha. Mothers, the cutting part you have to do. Now, you all take your green color satin ribbon. First of all, take green color satin ribbon. Then you have to cut into strands. Approx 10 centimeter you have to cut. Okay. Get green satin ribbon and cut the strands into 5 centimeter, 10 centimeter approx. Okay. So we will be needing around 5 stripes, 5 strands of this satin ribbon. Okay. Look. First of all, take the green satin ribbon and cut in the length of approx 10 centimeter. We will be needing around 5 strands, strips of satin ribbon. Okay? So mothers, you cut and give to kids. Then I'll show you kids now then what you have to do. So cut it down into 10 centimeter length. And we will be needing 5. We will be needing 5 strips of satin ribbon. Okay? Look in this way. Pramukh, Ishita, Teerth, Ayush, everyone switch on the camera. Okay? Done? The cutting part done? Okay. Now kids, take the Fevicol. Now, look, you have to apply Fevicol on the one end of the strip. जो ये strip आपने काटी है, you cut करिए. At one end, you have to apply Fevicol. So this you can do, kids. Cutting part you don't have to do. ठीक है, scissor आपको नहीं लेनी है. But this sticking part you can do. So after your mama cuts the strands, then you have to apply Fevicol on the one end of the strip. इस तरह से, ठीक है? Then stick the another end of the satin ribbon here on the first end. ठीक है? You have to make loop kind of. Look. ठीक है? Mothers, give the strands to kids and ask them to make. They can do the sticking part in this way. ठीक है? You have to apply Fevicol on the one end and then take the another end and stick it with the first one. Like this. Okay? The same procedure you have to follow for all the 5 strands. जो आपने 5 stripes काटे हैं, with all the 5 strips you have to follow the same procedure. ठीक है? I'll show you once again. Take the strip, take the strength of the satin ribbon, apply some Fevicol here, and then you have to stick the another end of the satin ribbon with the first one. Look. In this way, you have to make loops out of all the 5 strips of satin ribbon, green satin ribbon. ठीक है? इस तरह से हमें 5 strips के साथ करना है. We have to make the loops. Look, come on. After making the green color loops, you have to apply Fevicol here, near the body of the peacock. ठीक है? Now अब हम जो green color के हम लोगों ने loops बना है, we have to stick that loops here. ठीक है? Come on. Look in this way. Okay? Chalo. Now, in the same way, you have to stick all the 5 loops. Look. Come on. If the body of your peacock is small, then you can stick 4 loops as well. अगर आपकी peacock की body small है, छोटी है, so no need to stick 5 loops, you can stick 4 loops as well. ठीक है? It's up to you. Look. Yes, Yash, good. मैम आपने feathers भी बना दिए हैं, तो feathers के ऊपर stick कर सकते थे आप, because all these are only feathers. Okay? So kids, in this way you have to stick the green color loops which we had made out of green satin ribbon. Yes, Teerth, very nice. Complete it. Mothers, ask kids to stick it. They can do. They need only guidance. Yes, Anaisha, very good. Prableen, where are you, beta? Yes, Unnati, good. Prableen, you are not doing the activity? Now, after sticking the green satin ribbon, now you have to take the white satin ribbon. ठीक है? अब आप white satin ribbon लीजिए and then cut 4 strands. Okay? सिर्फ आपको 4 strands cut करनी है white satin ribbon की. Only 4 you have to cut and you have to make the same kind of loop. Okay? Look. Out of white satin ribbon, the same thing you have to do. Apply some Fevicol here at one end and stick the another end with it. Look. Same kind of loop you have to make. This time you have to make only 4 loops. White color के आपको 4 loops बनाने हैं and 1 loop is of blue color. Okay. White color loops you will need 4 loops you will need of white color and 1 of blue color. Okay. So make this kind of loops. Around 4 loops we will be needing. Look. We will be needing around 4 loops of white color. Okay. So you have to follow the same procedure as we do in green colors, green satin ribbon. ठीक है, same आपको follow करना है. In the same way, you have to make loops out of white satin ribbon as well. Apply some Fevicol on the one end and stick the another end with the first one for making loops. Okay, so after making 4 white loops, now you have to make 1 blue color loop. So get 1 blue satin ribbon, 1 blue color satin ribbon you will be needing, and the same thing you have to do. Apply Fevicol here at one end and then stick it with the another end for making loop. And the length of all the loops are same. Okay, in this way you have to stick. First of all, stick 2 white loops. Then after 2 white color loops, you have to stick 1 blue color loop. Okay, then again we have to stick 2 white color loops. In total, 4 white loops are there and 1 blue color loop. Look. Okay, so complete it. In this way, you have to complete. Look, everyone, in this way. So our 2 layers are completed. First one is of green color and second one is of white and blue color. हमने blue color क्यों use करा है? Why we had used the blue color in between the white one? Because in our Tiranga, there is one Ashok Chakra on the middle strip. That is of blue color. That's why we had used blue color loop here in middle of white. Yes, Tirth, very good. Okay. Yes, Drishya, nice. Okay. Yash, where are the white? I can't see the white ribbons. Okay, in this way you have to make layers. Okay. Now, so 2 layers are completed. Now we have to stick the third one. That is orange color. है ना? So stick the loops. आपको loops इस तरह से stick करने हैं ताकि पीछे वाली layer भी दिखे. All right? थोड़ा आगे बढ़ते हुए आपको stick करना है. Chalo. Now the same thing you have to follow. Take orange color ribbon, cut the strands, 5 strands, and make loop out of it. Come on. Okay. Apply some Fevicol here at one end of the satin ribbon and stick it with the another one for making loop. The same procedure we have to follow as we did with green and white color loops, satin ribbons. Okay, look. Yes, Tirth. Okay, so make this kind of loops, 5 loops. Okay, chalo, come on, make in this way. You have to make 5 loops again of orange color. The same thing now we have to do. Apply some Fevicol there on the body of the peacock, and we have to stick our third layer. Chalo, come on. So apply Fevicol. Look, apply some Fevicol. And now we have to stick the orange color ribbons, satin ribbon loops. So stick it. Look, in this way. So in this way, you have to stick all the 5 orange color loops. Come on, stick it. Look, everyone. This is our tricolor peacock. Tricolor peacock. In our national flag, we had 3 colors, है ना? That's why our flag is known as Tiranga, क्योंकि उसमें 3 colors होते हैं. It consists of 3 colors. Orange, white, and green. And in the middle, it is having one blue Ashoka Chakra. How many colors our flag is having? Our national flag is having 3 colors. As I show you, I had shown you the flag earlier, na, before starting our activity. So there are 3 colors in our flag. The first stripe is of saffron color. Second one is white color. And the third one is green color. And in the middle, our flag is having one blue color Ashoka Chakra. So this is our tricolor peacock. Tricolor matlab 3 colors hai. It consists of 3 colors. Yes, Tirth. Nice, very good.